Okay, would you guys like to see the demo of how we do it and how I'm gonna hook you up with this right now? Give me one sec here. I'm going to share my screen. There we go. Okay, so first I'm gonna give you a demo of my hub. Yeah? Is that cool? Okay, watch this. Let me share my screen. I built my hub in a very unique way. When I build my hub, I don't remember this. There is a difference between a website, a funnel, okay? Because funnels like, booing websites. Websites booing funnels. Websites are dead, and somebody says, well, funnels is not a real business like myself. Apple was not built in a funnel, right? Apple does not rely on a funnel. You need funnels. It's just a path. It's just a path to something. The way I look at funnels versus a hub is a funnel is like a fish boat. It's like a fishing boat. You get into the ocean, you by yourself in a fishing boat with a little rod, and you're fishing for the day, right? And you catch some fish. Tomorrow you have to go out there and you have to fish, and you fish all the time. A hub is like an island. An island has commerce. It has activity. It's a center of influence, right? It's a center of activity. And people are coming and going. There's collaborations. And this is how I look at the hub-centric business model. I want to build myself an island in the ocean, and I want to create this to be interactive, okay? So, there's a website, there's a funnel. Something in between, I want to combine them, and I want to create a hub. My hub, when you go to a website, right, there's like a whole bunch of navigations at the top, and when you send people there, they get confused because they click it around everywhere, and that's why funnel people saying, well, website is dead. True, if you do it that way, if you send them to a website. But I want to send them to a hub. It's a very specific structure of that hub. Let me show it to you. I'm going to walk you through this, okay? Watch my screen. Here is an example of a hub that I have been perfecting. And this is an example of a hub that I'm going to show you how I'm going to set you up with, and you will make it yours in just a second, okay? Do you notice the difference of this hub between like typical websites or funnels? Well, what does it say? Do you want to make more money? Right? Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. What did we say? Some of the best, what did we say? Some of the, hang on a second, let me show this to you, right? What do we say for product selection criteria, right? Watch this. Product selection criteria. Booming industries. Make more money. It's a hockey stick growth right now. People from every country, economies are going down. More and more and more people want to make more money. They're looking for ways to make more money. They're doing side hustle, all that stuff, right? So here's what I do. Watch this. I make my hub, this particular version, you can change it any way you want. You can have multiple hubs, you can have multiple businesses like this. Okay, there's a couple of things. Number one, this hub right here is on my domain. Okay, it is on a single domain. Hang on one sec. I'm going to share that. Okay, can you guys see this? Okay. So this hub is on a particular domain. Everything that I'm going to do moving forward is going to revolve around this one domain. When you have funnels, you have 3 different funnels or 30 different funnels. Each funnel has its own different domain, right? xyz.com, abc.com, 325.com, right? All those are different domains, and you don't have a business. What you have is you have like 50 different websites floating all around the internet, and you're going crazy trying to manage it, right? Here, everything is going to be all centered around one specific result people want. If this hub is going to be about make more money, we already identified that make more money is a big booming industry. 5 billion people want it. I want to talk to them about it. I'm going to go straight up and say, do you want to make more money? Yes. If you do, I'm going to say, hey, my name is Vic Stradius. I help regular people build and grow thriving online businesses so they can live their best life possible. My only question is, will it be yours? When they click on this button here, guess where it's going to take them? It's going to take them to a funnel that's going to be on my domain, same domain, right? And it's going to take them to a funnel. I can decide what company, what funnel I want to collaborate with, what opportunity I want to give them, where I want to send them to. It's going to be up to me. It's going to be an affiliate link. You guys tracking with me, right?